Okay. It would be kind of stupid for me to end this and not tell you and not do a little bit of self-promotion and tell you that, this is a lot. This is a lot for a small organization. And for a lot of our clients, what they find is, oh my goodness, wow, I don't want, that's how are we going to remember that? The stakes are too high if the site goes down. I don't want to, I don't want to risk that we have forgotten about this or forgotten to do something and we look like, and a potential client comes and something has gone awry. Can't somebody do this for you? Can't somebody do this for us? Why, yes, somebody can. That is what we do. We have, if you go to our website and look under website and then care plans, here is some information about our 3 maintenance plans that we provide to organizations where we do all the things that we talk about here to make sure that it is getting done and that your organization never has to worry about who is doing it. And so with that, I really appreciate your time. And I'm excited to have been part of this. I hope it was useful to you. And thank you so much.